Today we're going to make this delicious eggless carrot cake. First, you're going to grease and line a 9x7" pan and set that aside. Then to your all-purpose flour, you're going to add in the whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, and salt, and you're going to mix all of this up and set this aside. Then in another bowl, you're going to take your sugar, add in your plain yogurt, milk, olive oil, or you can even use any other oil, and then you're going to beat this till you have a creamy mixture. And then you're going to also mix in your vanilla extract. Then add in your dry ingredients and mix them in just till they are nearly combined. And then add in your grated carrot and mix it in till it is uniformly distributed throughout the batter. And then you're going to transfer this into your pan. And smooth it out evenly. And then go ahead and bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. Check with the toothpick inserted in the center to make sure it is done. And then let it cool completely. Once it has cooled, you can go ahead and run a knife at the sides. And then lift it and place it in your tray. And then slice and serve. This cake is extremely moist and fluffy because of the yogurt and the oil. So if you love soft cakes, this one is for you. If you have some leftover carrot at home, make sure to go ahead and try this out. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the recipe, and make sure to check out my channel and subscribe to stay up to date with new recipes, and I will be back with a new video. Bye!